After generating thousands of referral partners for over 500 healthcare practices and agencies, the most important question when it comes to the investment, usually practice owners ask, what plan would be best suitable for them regarding this situation. So we'll talk about the premium partners versus standard partners. So you can choose wisely where you need to invest for this service. Now, before I jump into the premium partner versus the standard partner, I want to make sure that you have gone through this website, the practice scale, where we talk about how we are going to generate these partners. You must have gone through my complete YouTube video where I talked about the step-by-step of how we are going to generate these referral partners who are going to be having these conversations with you. We have more than 1,000 plus screenshots, so I really want you to go through, load more, and watch each and every conversation, because just like we work with I believe Chad, and Chad is like, because we are managing Chad, and Chad is asking before scheduling, I just wanted to ask, are you currently referring patients for psychiatric medication management? And Marimish said, yes, I am. Let's talk about the Nankuli's, the one of her client. Hey Nankuli, thank you for reaching out. I do refer patients that deal with chronic pain. Let's talk about the Kimberly. I actually have some client looking into medication management. I would have to check in with them with upcoming weeks. And then, like you can see, Amanda, thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate you. Yes, I absolutely do meet families in exactly that situation, and she is looking to refer them. Now, obviously, you can go through these 1,000 plus screenshots and you will know that why the service works, because you don't need to pay for the ads. What we are going to do for you is that we will connect you with the ideal patient referral partners. Could be the discharge care planner, case managers, primary care physicians, anyone that you want to connect with and you want to build the trust with. And you need to understand there are main three reasons that they are going to refer the patients to you, and you don't need to pay for any patients, because these are the partners who can send you hundreds of patients in the lifetime. Now, the number one reason, service gaps. They don't offer what the patient needs. So for example, a primary care physician refers the patients because they don't have an in-house therapist and they send to a mental health clinic. Now, overcapacity. Their schedule is super full. A specialist with a 3-month wait list refers to another practice that can see the patient sooner. Third reason, they want to send the patients to trusted providers, discharge care planners, case managers. They want to refer you patients because they trust you, because you can help with those cases. And why they don't trust you, why they're not going to send you the patients, because they lack of trust. Who are you? They don't know about you. They don't know about the outcome, or you will treat their patients well. No clear process. There's no relationship built, and we are going to fix that in our service. We're going to make you the go-to provider for those patient referrals from the other healthcare providers. Now, let's talk about the standard partner versus the premium partner service. So, as you all know, we build these relationships, as you can see in this screenshot, these partners, and we already get their consent. Do they have any patient? Do they work with such type of patients who would they like to refer to us? And then we get their email, their phone number, best time to call them, and then we connect you with them, send you all of that information, and then you approve their quality. If you like them, then the credit will be used as approved partner, because once you have a conversation with them, or once you see the details and you see, oh, it's a very potential partner, oh, I would love to have a conversation with them, yes, they are legit partner, now then and there we are going to consider that as approved. So it is going to be available in both partners plans, standard partner, premium partner. Now, what do we mean by performance verified partner? With standard partner, you are gonna be confident about them and you're gonna build the confidence with them. Like, yeah, definitely they're gonna send you the patients later. But if you want guarantee, if you want performance verified partners, and you want to make sure that your investment is with the right partner, and even if they underperform in the future, you have the team who can replace those partners at no cost. Yes, it will be completely free. So for example, Marimi is your partner. Marimi says, yes, I would like to meet with you and discuss our pilot program. Or Shamik said, I do refer patients, and if they don't refer, don't worry. We'll replace this person, this provider, with another legit partner who are going to send you the patient. So even if the underperformance is there, just we're going to make sure that you are going to get another partner at no cost. That's the difference with the premium partner service. Now, accelerated delivery. You don't need to wait for months to get your first partner. What we will do is that we will build the trust with them by one of the few things that I want to tell you, that we are going to make your profile a premium badge over the LinkedIn, and that will help you become their trusted provider for those patient referrals, and that will help you pivot your conversation with them as a more trusted provider. So that's what we will do, and then there are a few other things that we will do to give you the accelerated delivery of these patients. The fourth thing, continuous nurture and reporting. With the standard partner, we will introduce you to these partners initially, and then it will be all up to you of how you're going to build a relationship with them. But with us, what we will do is that we will do the ongoing relationship building with you, and also send you the monthly reports of where this partner actually is in this whole stage. And then exclusive territory. Now, with the standard partners, you are going to be competing with other partners as well, obviously with other providers, because we're working with more than 500 practices and we want to scale it to more than 1,000 or more. And in that specific area, obviously, we're not going to share your partner with any other person, but might be we're going to be managing another provider in the same area with same taxonomy or specialty, and might be they could refer, we are going to connect with the same case manager. Now, with the premium partners, one premium client per zip code. Your referral lane stays protected. We are not going to be working in the same taxonomy with any other partner or any other provider, any other client, and you are going to be locking that specific area, and we will make you the go-to provider in that specific zip code. Now, referral nurture system. This is a very perfect way to get the patient, consistent patients from these partners. It is an add-on service, by the way. We normally charge $1,500 to $3,000 to install this referral nurture system. And if you want to know more about the referral nurture system, you can ask my team, and they will tell you about like why referral nurture system is what you definitely need if you want to scale. If you want to manage more than 10 partners, 5 partners, and you want to get consistent patient flow. With the premium partners, it will be at no cost to you. So we will set up referral partners, this automated system where we are going to do the follow-up with all of these partners and build a relationship and make sure they don't forget about you. Because if they forget about you, they're not going to refer you patients. But just keeping in front of them over the LinkedIn, over the SMS, over the calls, over the emails, with the newsletters, with the value-driven offers or messaging, we're going to make sure to install the system, and you will always be their go-to partner. Now, with the standard partner and premium partner, you can always start with the standard partner. If you already have, no problem with someone can also get the partners in your area. You have no problem with exclusivity. You have no problem. You already have a CRM. You already have the texting in place. You already have like calling, emailing, newsletters in place, or you don't need guarantee. You're so much confident about your skill set that you will definitely build the relationship with those partners and get the consistent patient flow. But if you want to secure your investment, and if you're like, hey, you want to make my team, hey, Afra, I want to make you accountable. This partner is not sending me patients. Hey, replace this partner with another one. If you want that kind of like a guarantee, if you want that kind of peace of mind, then obviously premium partner is the go-to option for you. So hopefully you understand what's the difference between the standard partner and the premium partner, and that's going to help you make the investment wisely into the service, because this service is about organic marketing. This is about becoming the go-to provider to all of these partners who are controlling the patient flow. So if you want to control the patient flow, if you want to get consistent patient referrals from all of these providers in your area, then you need to know that which plan is going to be best fit for you working with us. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with something very useful regarding the service. Thank you.